real nice. Clothes are looking real. What's up, guys? It's your girl Arie B, and welcome back to my channel. I am back today with a hair review, and this hair review is from Unice Hair. I was low-key lurking on a hairstyle every time I needed hair, but I never bought it, and now I'll see why. God know what he was doing. He knew what he was doing. They sent me a 14-inch closer, one 14-inch bundle, and two 18-inch bundles. And with this hair, I'm going to be making a wig. What kind of wig, honestly, I don't know yet. But I was thinking about making a blunt bob wig. I already opened it, so don't mind that. But I didn't fill it or anything. Can you turn your video down a little bit? Alright. Thank you. This hair feels mad good. Like, it feels silky and all. It's tight full, but then again, the shorter length is always fuller. It's tight full. And when I posted this hair on my Snap, everybody instantly wrote me about it, saying this hair is good and all that good stuff. Now I can't wait to see for myself. Let's look at the frontal. To me, the frontal look like, no, it doesn't. It's not customized already, and it does not have baby hair. So I'm gonna have to do all that hard work, but I don't mind. But the closure, the frontal, the frontal feels mad good. Honestly, I can't wait to even make this wig. And I might just leave it black, but I don't know, because I already have a black wig. I feel like I got on the hood right now. But overall, this hair feels good. It's mad thick. The closure is mad thick. Hopefully it's not hard for me to customize, because I'm not good with the customizing yet. So that is all for this video. I hope you guys like, comment, subscribe. All the details to this hair will be down below. Should I just make this my whole video? Should I make this one whole video? I mean, making a wig in this video? No, I make that a separate video, right? Yeah. Yeah. So, me making the wig is going to be a separate video. This video will be its own video. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends and family. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!